How to add Google Ads promotion extensions to your campaigns. Stick around and I will walk you step by step. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Evgeny Chvanan. I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. I have been running Google Ads for almost 7 years. So let's go to the account. But first, don't forget to subscribe and like so anyone who has a problem with promotion extension can find and see this video. Okay, go back to account, click all campaigns, then you probably will log into your Google Ads account. It will look like this. Go campaigns, pick the campaign you want to add promotion extension to. Then go to the ads, extensions, and here's the dashboard. Click plus sign, and on the bottom you will see promotion extension. So this particular extension will help you out with promo you're running, wherever it is, if this is like a holiday promotion. So for example, we will go right now through the settings. Make sure it's campaign level. Occasion is, if this is like you guys in the commerce space, make sure you picked the right holidays. You can create all of them right away for all of the holidays, specific offer. Since we are a service-based business, we will use none of those promotions. These categories, occasions, we just basically run away right away to everyone, flat fee setup. So click English, again, we're in US, so it will be US dollar. Discount type, promotion type. So there's a lot of basically discount right away, percentage discount, up to discount, and up to % discount. We will use this particular amount, which is $1,000 off from PPC setup. Actually, no, from Google Ads setup. Or like that, yep. Final URL, if you have a coupons or promotions, again, for this video, we will use just the home page and promotion details on order or promo code. Again, not recommending, just skip it as it is. In order over if you commerce, let's say $25 on free shipping, you can use it over here. Or like $100, get 5% off, or $10 off from $100 order. So we will use none. Start date, end date, we will not have any start and end date. Click save. That's it. Again, I recommend to create 2 promotions, 2 variations. We have in our digital marketing agency $1,000 off from setup fee. And another promotion is called $300 in call audit. And as well, final URL. Or again, actually, we offer $550 off. I don't know how to create it, to be honest with you guys. So we offer a free landing page if you start working with us on the lowest package, which is $1,000 setup and $750 monthly management. If the offer expired on the setup, we kind of offer on a monthly management free landing page development. So you pay us $750 and it will be include Google Ads, landing page design, integration, and so on. So I will just use for this example $300 in call audit, and this one we will run, let's say, for 30 days. That's it. This is how you're creating promotion extensions. If you didn't see the videos about how to create site link extensions, call out extensions, structure snippet extensions, check my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and like so everybody will know how to properly set up the Google Ads extensions. Thank you, and see you in the next videos. Bye.